Introducing the Eidos from Aven Tools. This state-of-the-art camera system, featuring a 5-megapixel Sony sensor, is designed to seamlessly integrate with your C-mount trinocular microscope or video lens, providing crisp, high-resolution 1080p HD images on an 11.6-inch monitor. With the Eidos, you can capture stunning image and video files without the need for a PC, while the HDMI output allows for additional monitor viewing. The built-in computational imaging software offers a suite of measurement tools, enhancing productivity and precision in applications ranging from quality control to medical device inspection. Angle measurement, circle measurement, rectangle measurement, text tool, save images to micro SD card, save videos to micro SD card, review saved files, experience the ease of digital inspection with the Eidos from Aven Tools.